Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a green screen in CapCut PC easily in 2025. First, just open CapCut on your PC like this, and then import your main video like this, and then just import the green screen video and place it as an overlay on top of your main video like this. For example, like this, and adjust the size as you like. For example, like this. And then next, just go to remove background, this one, and then choose chroma key, this one, choose color picker, this one, and then just select the green screen area on your video like this, and then just adjust the intensity and shadow settings until the background looks smooth and clean. Make sure there are no green screen edges left. For example, like this, and okay, that's it. Your green screen is now removed successfully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.